Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to Top 5 Best Sanitary Humidifier of 2024. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued. Unleash the power of pure comfort with the Dreo Smart Humidifier HM713S. Experience instant dryness relief with its super-fast 500 ml HR humidification and warm mist within 5 minutes. Its mist wave technology spreads humidity evenly across rooms, while its massive 6L tank supports up to 60 hours of operation. Precisely control your room humidity within 5% using the intuitive auto mode, manual mode with 3 mist levels, or sleep mode for undisturbed slumber. Enjoy effortless control via the Dreo app. Track humidity levels, receive cleaning reminders, and switch between scents with the dual aroma pad tray. Transform your living space with the ultimate humidifying solution, the Dreo Smart Humidifier HM713S. Introducing the Miron N7G humidifier, the ultimate solution for clean and healthy air. This innovative humidifier boasts a completely washable design, making it easy to maintain and keep germ-free. Its powerful ultrasonic mister delivers a soothing, cool mist covering up to 600 square feet. With an 8-hour continuous operation at max power, you'll enjoy hours of fresh air without interruption. The refill on the go feature allows you to replenish the 1-gallon bowl without stopping operation. Designed to blend seamlessly with any decor, the Miron N7G humidifier also features a whisper-quiet operation, ensuring a restful environment. Its universal electrical adapter makes it compatible worldwide. Upgrade your home with the Miron N7G humidifier, the perfect choice for healthy, comfortable air you can breathe. Introducing the VEVO Evaporative Humidifier, the ultimate solution for dry air. This mist-free humidifier uses a fan and filter to deliver up to 10.1 ounces of cool moisture, covering up to 473.6 sqft. Choose from 4 fan speeds, adjustable humidity from 40% to 75%, and timer settings for up to 12 hours. Enjoy a peaceful sleep with the sleep mode that reduces noise to 35 dB. The 7-color night light creates a cozy atmosphere. The large 3L water tank and removable upper part make it easy to add water or essential oils. The washable filter ensures long-term use. Elevate your air quality with the VEVO Evaporative Humidifier. Order now and experience the benefits of clean, comfortable air.
Introducing the Levit Smart Humidifier, the ultimate solution for optimal home comfort and well-being. With its advanced auto mode, it effortlessly maintains a healthy humidity level throughout the day. Enjoy rapid humidification, covering a spacious 505 feet area for up to 60 hours. Stay connected with its smart app, allowing you to monitor and control it remotely. Its versatile modes include aromatherapy, plant care, and a quiet sleep mode for a blissful slumber. The top-fill design makes refilling a breeze, and the hassle-free cleaning ensures impeccable hygiene. Its advanced filtration system guarantees clean and healthy mist. Experience effortless comfort, smarter living, and enhanced health with the Levit Smart Humidifier. Order now for a more comfortable and revitalized indoor environment.
Introducing the ultimate indoor oasis. Our 4L humidifiers for bedroom provide continuous soothing comfort for up to 50 hours on low mist. Intelligent auto mode automatically regulates humidity levels, keeping your space comfortable. With a powerful output that covers rooms up to 430 feet, experience instant relief from dryness. Perfect for bedrooms, the whisper-quiet operation and auto-dimming display ensure undisturbed sleep. Customize your comfort with 3 fixed mist levels and set an on-off timer for precise control. Safety is paramount, with an auto shut-off feature in case of low water. Elevate your indoor sanctuary with our advanced humidifier, available now.